This is what's gonna happen. Whore to a chainsaw. Where should I put this? No, I'll just hold on to it. Well, I gotta take a picture. Alright. Pop a Molly and start sweating. Ba, ba, ba. You madness! You're my You infect me with your disease! You woman! You're genocide! Extermination! Extermination! Of yours! You take up to my ultimate disgrace! That you are chainsaw, that's my purest form of pride! Again, I live with them among this mess! Again, I live with them among this mess! Among this mess! I need to end this! For the human population! It's also the human population of this world!
Die, you fucking whores! You putrid waste of space, I'm breeding fucking rats! It's bitches time to get it! Die, you fucking whores! You putrid waste of space, I'm breeding fucking rats! You bitches gonna get it!
Bitch, you're dead! Bitch, you're dead! Bitch, you're dead! Bitch, you're dead! Another creation of something so obscene makes me sick to see your lungs so filled with air. You'll never die. I do, they never die.
Dog.
Dreaming of I've never seen. That doesn't mean I can't be felt.
You disgust me. And how is that even possible? Go pop! What's hot?
Eradication of them all! I'll do a chainsaw! I'll do a chainsaw! Listen to Die Artist Murder. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Next motherfucking Whitechapel.